kids don't want to eat veggies? Let me show you how I make them finish it without even complaining. This is my go-to veggie-loaded omelette. Soft, fluffy and perfect for picky eaters. I'm using here finely chopped onions, tomatoes, capsicum, a little bit of green chili if the baby have got used to it, and I'm adding some mushrooms. You are free to add any vegetables which are available at your home because this recipe is very flexible. Saute the vegetables nicely until they turn a little bit brown, followed by you can add some turmeric and salt, pepper or whichever seasoning your kid likes. Here I have taken 1 whole egg and 2 to 3 egg whites. It's flexible, you can just alter according to your kid's preference. You should whisk it really well. The more air you add, the softer the omelette becomes. And just for a tip, you can also add a spoon of milk to make it extra soft. So make sure that the pan is on low to medium flame. You can add a little bit of oil or butter according to your preference. Now gently flip it. Look how colorful that is, but still soft. This is how I make sure my kids eat vegetables without a fight. It's soft, it's tasty, and it's ready under 10 minutes. Try this once for your little ones and tell me if they finish it. I have also attached the full ingredients details. From my kitchen to your little ones.